I blew the ring and pinion, so I got this whole rear end set up, and we got a really good deal on it. I just bought these at the local hobby shop for the front. Look at the difference in teeth. Way beefier. They're gonna hold up to a lot more strain. I've blown several ring and pinions with the stock, or not the stock, but I had an f4.6 in here. It blew lots of diffs with the stock 25 setup, because I kept on blowing the spider gears in the original diff, but these aluminum ones with the 4 spider gears are way better. So yeah, I just had extra ring gears because I used to blow those up a lot, and I finally got sick of it. Got a good deal on these, so that's what's going in the truck. Everything here is much better in stock. The bulkhead is going to be a lot better. There's the pinion in there. Everything's gonna be a lot better. That motor puts out way more power, so might as well beefing up the powertrain. I don't have it on me right now. I have to dig it out, but I also got some heavy-duty drive shafts. Oh, here's another must-have on Savages: is get the 17mm wheel nuts. Those are way better from stock. Stock have these 14mm lock nuts, and what would happen is over time, the locking part would dry up, and also they would just back out. I lost several wheel nuts with 14mm, and with these 17mm, haven't lost a single wheel. There's a couple tips and tricks there, as well as an update. And the reason why I have this apart is because I'm going to take this whole diff apart, go through it, even though it feels really good out of the box. But still, I'm going to go through it, and instead of packing it with grease, I'm just going to put some diff fluid in it. So that's it for now. See you in the next one.